May 24th, 2019. We are working with a very acidic soils, aren't we, dear? Our goal now is to take this soil and change it using just our products. No synthetic fertilizer. We're going to turn this into very valuable planting area, aren't we? We're going to use all natural products to do this. Let's see what we got here. Sandy, nasty soil. Soil restorations is what we're going to do. We're going to revitalize this soil and make it so much better. Look at that. Now that's some planting. Yeah, we're going to plant in that. Yeah, we're going to make this beautiful. Guarantee when we are done with this nasty, beautiful sandy soil, it's going to make one beautiful garden. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to use any synthetic fertilizers. We're not going to use any organic products, bought ones. We're going to just use what we do. N181. Love it.